Mastering German, making appointments like a pro. Hello everyone, and welcome to our Learn German for Beginners video series. In our previous session, we covered how to discuss the weather. Now, dive into the art of making appointments with friends, family, or acquaintances. Essential structures. Verabreding, initial suggestion for a date. Verabreding, confirming the appointment. Pre-Roman, formal appointments. Vocabulary. Eine Verabredung treffen, making an appointment. Eine Verabredung das, confirming an appointment. Nein Hightech, declining due to unavailability. Sample conversation. Hello, bin, volunteered Susan in disturbed Kionigen, Van? Ja, das passt, yes, that suits. Useful phrases. Making suggestions. Hello Pen or Hi Ben, Valen Viet Susan and Skin again? Wills to meet Mia in then park? Interests are again in this dot again. Asking about activities. Ich mich, Deegan Jota, Ardent McDear, in Ski No Gain? Will stuff alleged mate, come or a hostile site, or a has to loost? Accepting a suggestion. Yeah, Freitag is good. The Harbor East site. Yeah, Dasu Steiner. Goth, Eddie Van then. Rejecting a suggestion. Tut mir leid Oda and Schulagung. Ich muss bitten, or definition, fair operated sign. Proposing a new time. Try to get light. Nicht, aber Samstag. Vilat next of aha, get s next of aha. Finalizing details. Thus is good one on vote ref and via owns. Auf Wiedersehen, and we hope that you enjoy your meeting. Congratulations on mastering the art of making appointments in German. Practice these phrases and create your own dialogues. Dank for watching, give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more language lessons. Cheers!